At a time when there's a lot of talk around the security of Jamaica's borders, Japan has handed over inshore patrol vessels to the Jamaican government. The Ministry of National Security says the vessels will help boost the security of Jamaica's borders. Ramada Lyons has the details.
After a container filled with chicken washed up on Jamaican shores last Thursday, questions have been raised about the effectiveness of the monitoring of Jamaica's coastlines. The argument, what was just a container of chicken, could have been much worse. Undetected weapons, drugs, biohazards, you name it. Days later, the handover of Japanese inshore patrol vessels, while Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang didn't address the container and the security implications specifically, he said there's need for greater protection of Jamaica's borders from illegal activity.
The criminals are quite smart. They know how to move and move fast and, let's say, smartly, and therefore we need all levels of support. Our ocean-going patrol vessels are critical, and they're supporting marine air patrol, they're supporting coastal radars, but in keeping close to shore, we have to work collaboratively with our police force, or maritime police, and therefore the synergy at that level is critical to intercepting these criminals once they get near to our coastline.
Dr. Chang says criminals on water often escape the radar of law enforcement. Therefore, he argues that the donated vessels will play a crucial role.
The criminals who have fast boats, they are geared for this kind of activity. And of course, when they get closer to shore, they sometimes get below both the radar or ocean-going patrol vessels, and moving rapidly, we need more assets on the coastline to intercept them. They know where to go and then where to plan their nefarious activity.
Jacqueline Green-Scarf, Assistant Commissioner of Police, says the vessels are a powerful demonstration of the mutual ties between Japan and Jamaica. She says the police's ability to protect Jamaica's maritime domain will be strengthened.
They will serve as another layer of protection for the people of Jamaica, fortifying our shared mission to ensure a safe and secure society.
She says Japan has also fortified policing on land. Late 2024, the government of Japan donated 27 new service vehicles to the Jamaica Constabulary Force through the Japan International Cooperation Agency. She says this has assisted in the deployment of personnel in key areas. Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.